Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to clean between keyboard keys with a Q-tip. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. All that you need is your keyboard and a Q-tip and potentially a cleaning solution, which I'll talk about in a moment. So first and foremost, before you start this, you need to research what cleaning solution you can use for your keyboard. There are a couple of different mindsets with regards to cleaning solutions on a keyboard. I'm not going to go over what cleaning solution you might be able to use. You got to research for your own specific keyboard which cleaning solution will work for you and your keyboard, okay? Because, generally speaking, people use one type of cleaning solution on their keyboards, but there are people who've used other types. So you can do your own research and figure out what cleaning solution you are potentially going to use for your keyboard. So research what kind of cleaning solution you are potentially going to use for your own keyboard. Make sure it will work with your keyboard. Make sure it's safe for your keyboard. Make sure it suits your own specific wants, needs, and make sure your wants and needs, and make sure you're comfortable using that cleaning solution potentially with your keyboard, okay? So that's the first thing. Once you know your cleaning solution, you're going to make that cleaning solution or get that cleaning solution, okay? And then here's what you're going to do. You're going to take your Q-tip, you're going to put cleaning solution on the Q-tip. Some people will, dip it in there. Other people just put a little bit on there. I would recommend putting just a little bit of the cleaning solution on the Q-tip at first, okay? And see how that works. And then you can use your discretion if you want to put more on the Q-tip or not. But just start off by putting a little bit of the cleaning solution on the Q-tip, okay? And then you can use your discretion whether or not, with regards to whether or not you want to add more. That's your own prerogative. But when you have a little bit of cleaning solution on the Q-tip, what you want to do is essentially, you're going to be cleaning between the keys. So to do that, you're going to push down on one key. So if I push down on the U, I now have access to the sides of the I or the Y. So I'm going to take my Q-tip with a little bit of cleaning solution on it, and I'm going to clean like that on the sides of the I over here and the Y, okay? And then you can also release it, and you can just put the Q-tip in between the keys as well, depending on the keyboard layout. Some keyboards have an angle design, others are flat. Like some keys will just have like an angle where you can get a little bit in there and they're touching closer. Others are flat and have this little gap. It all depends. But the idea is very simple. Use your cleaning solution and Q-tip, okay, to basically clean between the keys. You can just rub between the keys like that, or you can press down on a key and then work your way around like that. Both ways work. Either just rub between the keys or push down on a key and then work your way around the more accessible areas like that. And that's basically it for using the cleaning solution. That is one option. And if you have sticky stuff on your keys and stuff like that, or gunk built up on your keys, then that's probably going to be the way that you're going to do it. Now, on the other hand, if you just have dust on your keys, if there's nothing sticky on your keys, if there's nothing gunky on your keys, then I would recommend highly, don't use the cleaning solution. Okay? Just use a dry Q-tip and do the same thing. Wipe between the keys, if you can, and then press down on a key and get to the more accessible areas now. Very simple. Just use a dry Q-tip. If you need to use a cleaning solution, then definitely consider a cleaning solution. But if you don't need to use a cleaning solution, just use a dry Q-tip. It will get rid of all the dust, the debris, the dirt. Like I can see this key right here on this side. I can literally see it's dirty. This keyboard has not been used in a long time. It's been sitting in a bin in my basement for a long time. It's, I believe, my wife's old keyboard from what I remember. And it's been so long, like a long time. Now, this key over here has a lot of dust on it. If I go and I wipe down with just a dry Q-tip, that dust is gone. It literally came, and it's on the Q-tip. It might be hard to see, but it's literally right there on the Q-tip. It's just there. It's kind of hard to see because of the sunlight, but it's right there. The dust is actually just sitting on the Q-tip. So if you can avoid using the cleaning solution, avoid it. If you have to use it, then consider using it. And that's basically it. That is how to clean between keyboard keys using a Q-tip, an easy tutorial. I truly hope that you've enjoyed it, and I have nothing else to say for this video tutorial. So with nothing else to say, we're going to officially roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.